How to schedule Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram application. After that, launch the Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen over here. And here just select on any of the posts. I'm going to select on this random one, and as I select on this picture, tap on next. As I tap on next, now here you can add music, text, add filters, images and so on, but I'm not going to make any changes. Then tap on next. And as I tap on next, what you can simply do is here you can add your captions, add locations, tag people and so on. Now go and scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can see the option of more options. So tap on more options. Now remind you that in order to schedule any of your posts on Instagram, you must have a professional account. If you do not have a professional account, you'll not be able to schedule your post. So here you can see the option of schedule this post. So just toggle on this option, and here you can just select the date and time and then tap on done, and here your post is scheduled. Now just tap on schedule and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.